How to export AutoCAD drawing to PDF. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your AutoCAD app. Now head over to the app icon at the top and click on the drop down. Now guys, you want to scroll over to where you see publish. Now head over to the first option on publish, which is plot, and tap on it. Now you are going to go over to printer plotter and tap on the drop down on name. Now you are going to be searching for the option that says DWG to PDF. Now tap on that. Next thing to do is to head over to paper size. You want to click on the drop down on paper size. Now you're going to be searching for A4, and when you find it, you want to click on it. And now guys, the next thing you want to do is to tap on OK. Now over here, you have to select where you want your PDF file saved to, which is the file location. And when you are satisfied with that, you can also change the file name if you want to, but I'm okay, so I'm just going to click on save. Now automatically it opens up the PDF file that you just saved. So for us, we use WPS, and as you can see, this is the AutoCAD drawing that has been changed to PDF. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.